Hello everyone, welcome to Devops tutorial. So today we'll be going on with the hands-on session with the practical part. So before that, just in the version control tool git, we have .git ignore, where we ignore all the files which should not be included while committing or pushing to the Docker repository. I mean Git repository. Similarly, for the Docker, we have .ignore file. So here we can give the files or with the pattern list which should be ignored while during the build context or when we push to the Docker or how about creating the build from the Docker. So before that, let's get started with the installation part. And first, we'll go through the Mac installation. So the system requirement is like your at least your Mac should be 2010 model or a newer model. Then or maybe your OS should be equal to or greater than 10.13, and it should have a RAM of greater than equal to 4 GB. And VirtualBox we need to install, which should not be less than 4.3.20. This is specifically needed for the Dockerization part and for our hands-on part. So let's go ahead and install the Docker for our Mac. So this is the link here. Just get the stable version. Okay, so we have downloaded the DMG file. Just double click. So just this we have the installation now. Just drag and drop to the applications folder. So we saw how simple it is, like how simple is the Docker installation on the Mac. So this Docker desktop contains all the utilities or tools needed for Docker. And once it is installed, we'll see a Docker sign here at the right corner here. So just provide your password, and here it is started the installation and running the Docker desktop. So here are various other options which it provides, like the Docker desktop provides various other utilities. So once it is up, we can see that. So now it is still coming up. Yep. So it is up and running. We can see the Docker desktop is running now. So you can go about the Docker desktop and know about it from here. So this is coming with all these components: Kubernetes, Docker Compose, version is this, engine is this one, and this is a community Docker desktop uh, edition, and we are using this version and channel. So all these things are here. Apart from that, if you want to go and check your you can restart from here, and if you want to check your dashboard, you can just go here and check your dashboard. So this is the Docker Compose data. So we'll come to know about this later, like what is Docker Compose and those things. So these are the other images and other things. This is from the desktop. Thanks for joining for the Docker desktop installation in Mac.